back to the channel. Today's menu, we got that little guy right there, 2009 KTM 250 XCF. Let's take a look. Wait, real quick though. Move your mouse down like 2 inches, hit that like button. All right, we're good now. So as you can see, it's in decent condition. You know, we got a couple new parts, a couple add-ons here and there, like the steering stabilizer. You know, we got the orange, let's see, what type, fly sprocket, that orange chain, of course the KTM, you always got the WP suspension, got your Cycra handguards on there, not too banged up. Tires, they've got some wear, no doubt about that. Exhaust pipe, we're looking a little rusty. Plastics, graphics, worn down quite a bit. Rear shock looks to be in good shape. Obviously wear over here. We've got our frame guards. We've also got a good old skid plate down here. But we do got a lot of oil and dirt buildup down there. So we'll have to take a look at that. We do have Pro Taper bars. They do seem to be straight. And I think those are aftermarket radiator hoses. Kickstand here is a little janky. Sprockets seem to be in good condition. But like I said, we got oil leaking somewhere here. This is carbureted. It's got electric start. But the battery is a little low on juice. Now I've already got a few goodies in, just simple stuff. It is a KTM, so we got to get some orange parts, new battery, and hopefully don't have any other stuff that I need to order. A couple of these aftermarket parts I am going to take off and sell by themselves. Other than that, we're going to break this bike down. It does runs all right, not the greatest, and hopefully we can tune some things up and make this bike look really good. So let's get to it. I forgot to add one more thing again. Down in the description, there is a link to a shop. Go to Wild Moto Shop. Check it out if you want to. There's a couple cool decals there. There may even be some beanies, hats, shirts, maybe, possibly. Don't know yet. So take a look. Now, I assume that this battery's shot, but I'm gonna save it. Maybe I can use it in another bike. I'll see if it charges up and holds charge and all that stuff, but I've already bought a new one, so. Yeah, so that's something that I'm gonna have to order. Alright, so I'm gonna get this steering stabilizer off. So this is a version 1.0 GPR stabilizer. Online, it looked like they were going for $300 a pop, so even if I get half that amount, it's probably gonna do me better to sell it online instead of keeping it on here. Alright, so the plan here is I don't have another bar clamp. Pretty certain that this is actually the part of the stabilizer. I can order some like Tusk or Pro Taper bar mounts and that should be set. But if you are interested in this stabilizer, I'm not sure the exact bikes that it fits, but I will maybe give you a little deal on it. So if you're interested, hit me up down below. Voila. Smells like any fresh piece of night. All right, we're done taking the bike apart. I went a little bit further than I planned on, but that's where we're at. Pretty much just got the swing arm, the motor, and the radiator still hanging out on there. So I'm for sure gonna take that and sell it on eBay. Hopefully get a couple $100 out of it, maybe. We'll see. The Pro Taper bars hiding in there. They're not bent, so you can either reuse those somewhere else on a different bike, or go ahead and sell them. And then the hand guards, I'm not sure if I'm going to sell those on eBay or put them on the new handlebars. We'll see. Forks, they're looking all right. We'll clean out those seals, clean up the rest of it. Got new fork guards since those other ones are pretty beat. New battery, and then just a couple cheapy Tusk parts there. Add a little bling to it. Exhaust, surprisingly, only a couple scratches here and there, no dents or anything. And then the seat cover, that's basically brand new. Plastics, we'll just have to clean those up. Graphics, I was looking for some stock ones that I could grab for cheap, but I could not find any. The header pipe, that's all coated with junk. We'll clean that up, have it looking good. Deep clean the chain there, it's in pretty good condition. Then we got our gas tank, clean that up a bit. Our carb, disassemble that. Clean it out. Rear suspension, just gonna clean that up. Seals are all fine, so we don't need to take it apart or anything. And the bearings are all good as well. Linkage bearings and everything on this, they're all good. So later tonight, I'm gonna be ordering the countershaft seal kit, probably an all balls one, and then up top here, gonna be ordering some bar mounts and bars and grips. I think there's a little kit I can grab for somewhat cheap. Everything else, I'm just gonna have to deep clean this thing. So yeah, not much else to say about it. I'm excited to see how it turns out. You know, we're not getting too crazy with it, but we'll clean it up, add a few parts, make sure it's working 100%, and then hopefully sell it for a bunch of money. I've got plenty of work ahead of me. Cleaning this stuff is probably the most tedious part of it all. But hey, that's what makes it stand out above and beyond all the other bikes on Craigslist. So if you like the video, remember, a couple inches below me, it's a little like button. You can smack that. Appreciate it. If there's anything in this video that you saw and wanted to buy, I got plenty of affiliate links down below in the description as well. Also, don't forget that little link to the shop, Wild Moto. Check it out, just in case, you never know. Next episode, we're gonna be going ham, cleaning all this stuff, and then maybe putting it back together, or at least starting to. And then hopefully we can, before the snow flies, maybe we can get out, rip this thing around. I don't know, we'll see. Just to spark a little discussion down in the comments, how much would you pay for a decent 2009 KTM 250 XCF? Let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys think about the bikes that I'm working on, and maybe something I could do better. Maybe you have your own idea about something. Just let me know down in the comments. So other than that, thanks again. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.